Okay, now I'm back and got 78% on the battery. Now moving. I just heard. Deeper in the woods. And now I'm recording on 8K at 50 frames per second. So adjusting the selfie stick a little bit. Alright. Got a little bench here. So, got a bridge right here, but just a bridge. The look doesn't hurt the look. Probably like a little lake. I was gonna say. Not a big lake, but a pond, I should say. Mosquitoes are kind of tearing me up out here. So I want your blood, your black motherfuckers. I added that part out. Been as far into the woods. I don't know where I'm going. Just walking. See, that got me cut off. This is the one heavy artillery, first line of defense for the United States. And look, I think it goes this way. Yeah, so both heavy artillery. Both served this country. I had another uncle who passed away, and pretty much just giving honor to all three of them. My father's a veteran too, but he's still here. I still talk to him and everything. But both of my uncles, all three of my uncles transcended. And I think I got a little secret spot I got for you guys. Y'all ready for this? I wish my wife could see this, but she is going to see it. Stand my camera out as far as it can. Alright? You guys ready for this? Didn't know I was gonna run up on this at all. This is awesome. Guess I can extend you guys out a little bit, make it look like you're over the creek. It's always good to see something. Good view right here. Turn, pan the camera this way. Slowly. Isn't that a treat? It's getting deeper down here, and you probably hear the water even more.